On today's virtual tour, we talk a completely reconfigured cooking area and a really cool mudroom. Hey everybody, Scott Mundy with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today's virtual tour is Kitchen Crate Custom, Michigan Avenue in Modesto. This is a project that we've really been looking forward to sharing with you because you're going to see one of the most dramatic transformations that we've done to date. So this is a Kitchen Crate Custom, so it's all new custom cabinetry, locally built and fabricated here by Central Valley Millworks. And one of the things you're going to notice about this particular kitchen is it's kind of in an L shape. And what we did is we came in and we completely blew this thing apart and started from scratch. So just to kind of run you through the project. So first of all, we did actually move an exterior window to accommodate a new sink layout and a new refrigerator layout. And then we created this kind of cool cooking hub with a brand new cooktop and range with a micro hood above. And what we did is we're able to kind of bring that around this corner here with a 45-degree set of cabinetry and countertop and have it flow right into this desk area that's kind of this really cool workstation, kind of a hub for the family. And right above that area, there's beautiful floating shelves that really bring this whole project together. Next to that, you're going to see a really expansive pantry area. We had to actually build this pantry around an existing fireplace that faces the other side of this wall. And so this entire pantry is custom built to maximize every square inch of storage in this particular area. As you turn the corner, you're going to see this cool little mud room that we built for this customer and their 3 kids. People can come in, they can take off their shoes, they can sit down on this bench, there's storage, just a lot going on right there at this mudroom area. And as we swing back around towards the sink area, once again, really clean, open countertop area for more food prep, and a sink centered directly over their new window so they can look out on the pool and the backyard and watch the kids at play. So that's Kitchen Crate Custom on Michigan Avenue, Modesto. If you'd like to talk to us about your project, give us a call, 888-995-7996, or log on to kbcrate.com. Thanks so much.